Karachi, a bustling metropolis, holds within it a tapestry of neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. This city, known for its vibrant energy and diverse population, is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and lifestyles. Each neighborhood tells a different story, contributing to the rich mosaic that is Karachi. From the historic quarters to the modern districts, every area has its own unique charm and significance. Surjani Town, located in the northern part of the city, is one such neighborhood. It is a place where the old meets the new, where traditional values blend seamlessly with contemporary living. The streets of Surjani Town are always alive with activity, reflecting the dynamic spirit of its residents. This neighborhood, though not as famous as some of Karachi's more well-known areas, holds a special place in the hearts of those who call it home. It might not be as well known as some of Karachi's more famous areas, but it plays a vital role in the city's social fabric. The local shops and markets are the lifeblood of Surjani Town, providing not just goods and services, but also a sense of community and belonging. Here you can find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts, each item telling a story of the people who live and work here. Surjani Town is home to a diverse population, with people from all walks of life coming together to create a vibrant community. This diversity is one of the neighborhood's greatest strengths, fostering a spirit of inclusivity and mutual respect. The residents of Surjani Town are known for their warmth and hospitality, always ready to welcome newcomers with open arms. This essay will delve into the heart of Surjani Town, exploring its geography, demographics, and the challenges and triumphs that shape its identity. The neighborhood's layout is a fascinating blend of planned and organic growth, with winding streets and bustling intersections. The demographics of Surjani Town are equally intriguing, with a mix of different ethnicities, languages, and cultures coexisting harmoniously. We will journey through its streets, witnessing the resilience of its people and the ongoing efforts to build a better future. Despite the challenges they face, the residents of Surjani Town are determined to improve their community. From grassroots initiatives to larger-scale projects, there is a palpable sense of hope and determination in the air. From its strategic location to the cultural richness of its inhabitants, Surjani Town offers a glimpse into the heart of Karachi. The landmarks of Surjani Town, whether they are historical sites or modern developments, each tell a part of the neighborhood's story. As we explore this vibrant area, we will uncover the many layers that make Surjani Town a unique and integral part of Karachi's urban landscape. Surjani Town is situated in the Gadap town subdivision of Karachi. This area is known for its diverse communities and growing infrastructure, making it a notable part of the city's expansion. This places it in the northern part of the city, which is characterized by a mix of residential, commercial, and industrial zones. The northern region of Karachi has seen significant development over the past few years, with new housing projects and commercial centers emerging rapidly. Away from the immediate bustle of the city center, Surjani Town offers a more relaxed and spacious environment. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to escape the congestion and noise of central Karachi, while still being within reach of its amenities. Despite its distance, Surjani Town is well connected to other parts of Karachi. The infrastructure here has been designed to ensure that residents can easily access the rest of the city without much hassle. The main artery is the Northern Bypass, a major road that links the neighborhood to the rest of the city. This bypass is crucial as it helps in reducing travel time and easing traffic congestion, making daily commutes smoother for the residents. This accessibility makes Surjani Town a convenient place to live for people who work or study in different parts of Karachi. The ease of travel is a significant factor for many families and professionals when choosing a place to live. Public transportation options, including buses and minibuses, are readily available and provide affordable means of getting around. These services are frequent and cover a wide range of routes, ensuring that residents can reach their destinations without much delay. The presence of these transport links is vital for residents who rely on them for their daily commutes and errands. Whether it's for work, school, or leisure, the availability of reliable public transport makes life in Surjani Town much more manageable and connected to the broader Karachi area. One of the most striking aspects of Surjani Town is its diverse population. This vibrant neighborhood is a melting pot of cultures where people from all walks of life come together to create a unique and harmonious community. The streets are filled with the sounds of different languages, the aromas of various cuisines, and the sights of colorful traditional attire. People from various ethnicities and backgrounds call this neighborhood home. It's not uncommon to see families of different races living side by side, sharing their lives and experiences. This diversity is not just tolerated but celebrated, making Surjani Town a true example of unity and diversity. While the majority of residents are Muslim, there's also representation from other religious groups, including Christians, Hindus, and Sikhs. This religious diversity adds another layer to the rich cultural fabric of the town. Places of worship for different faiths stand side by side, symbolizing the mutual respect and understanding that exists among the residents, creating a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. Festivals from different cultures are celebrated with equal enthusiasm, whether it's Eid, Diwali, Christmas, or Vaisakhi. These celebrations bring the community together, fostering a sense of belonging and shared joy. This diversity is reflected in the sights, sounds, and flavors of Surjani Town. The local markets are a sensory delight, offering a wide range of goods from different cultures. You can find everything from traditional spices and herbs to modern fashion and electronics, all coexisting in a vibrant marketplace. From bustling markets to community gatherings, one can witness a beautiful mosaic of cultures coexisting harmoniously. Public spaces like parks and community centers are always buzzing with activity, hosting events that cater to all age groups and interests. These gatherings are a testament to the strong sense of community that defines Surjani Town. This blend of traditions fosters a spirit of tolerance and understanding among the residents. Neighbors look out for each other, and there's a strong sense of camaraderie that permeates the town. Whether it's helping out during a festival or supporting each other in times of need, the people of Surjani Town exemplify the true meaning of community. It is in these everyday interactions that the true character of Surjani Town shines through. Simple acts of kindness, shared laughter, and mutual respect are the building blocks of this vibrant community. Surjani Town is not just a place, it's a living, breathing example of how diversity can be a source of strength and unity. Like any growing neighborhood, Surjani Town faces the challenge of providing adequate infrastructure and services to its residents. Over the years, there have been significant developments in this area. Schools, healthcare facilities, and other essential amenities have sprung up to cater to the needs of the growing population. However, there is still work to be done to ensure that these services are accessible to all residents, regardless of their socioeconomic background. Despite the challenges, the community spirit in Surjani Town is strong. Residents often come together to support each other and advocate for improvements in their neighborhood. Surjani Town, like many other parts of Karachi, has faced its share of environmental challenges. One of the most pressing issues is the risk of flooding during the monsoon season. The city's drainage system is often overwhelmed by heavy rainfall, leading to waterlogging and damage to property. Another challenge is the issue of encroachment, where land designated for public use is illegally occupied. This encroachment not only puts a strain on existing infrastructure, but also exacerbates the risk of flooding. Addressing these environmental concerns is crucial for the well-being and prosperity of Surjani Town. Section 6, Sheltering Lives, the Panaga Initiative. Amidst the challenges, there are also inspiring stories of hope and resilience in Surjani Town. One such story is the establishment of a Panaga, a shelter for the homeless and destitute. This initiative provides a safe haven for those who have nowhere else to turn, offering them food, shelter, and a sense of dignity. The Panaga stands as a testament to the compassion that exists within the community. It is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, there are people who are willing to extend a helping hand to those less fortunate. Section 7. A place of possibilities, education, and growth. Despite the socio-economic challenges, there's a palpable sense of hope and aspiration in Surjani Town. Education is highly valued, and many families make sacrifices to ensure that their children receive a good education. The presence of schools and educational institutions plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of the neighborhood. These institutions not only impart knowledge, but also empower young minds to dream big and work towards a brighter future. The pursuit of education is seen as a pathway to upward mobility and a way to break the cycle of poverty. Section 8. Facing the future, challenges and opportunities. As Surjani Town continues to grow and evolve, it faces both challenges and opportunities. The lack of adequate infrastructure and the threat of environmental hazards remain pressing concerns. However, the spirit of the community, coupled with the strategic location and the growing population, presents unique opportunities for development. By addressing the existing challenges and capitalizing on the available opportunities, Surjani Town has the potential to transform into a thriving and prosperous neighborhood. The key lies in fostering collaboration between residents, local authorities and NGOs to create a shared vision for a better future. Section 9. Surjani Town, a microcosm of Karachi. In many ways, Surjani Town embodies the spirit of Karachi itself, a city of contrasts where challenges and opportunities coexist side by side. It is a reminder that behind the bustling city life there are countless stories of resilience, hope and the unwavering human spirit. As Karachi continues to grow and evolve, neighborhoods like Surjani Town will play an increasingly important role in shaping the city's future. By investing in these communities and empowering their residents, we can create a more inclusive and prosperous Karachi for all.